Good morning, students. I am Dr. F. Andrews, Assistant Professor, PG Research Department of Commerce, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore. Today we are going to see recruitment, sources of recruitment, and methods of recruitment. What is meant by the recruitment? It is the process of searching for and obtaining applicants for jobs so that the right people in right number can be selected. In other words, it is a process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating and encouraging them to apply for jobs in an organization by Philip. Sources of recruitment. The various sources of recruitment are classified into two broad categories, that is, internal sources and external sources. Internal sources include present employees, employee referrals, former employees, and previous applicants. The present employee means promotion and transfer from among the present employees can be a good sources of recruitment. That promotion implies upgrading of an employee to a higher position carrying higher status, pay and responsibilities. The main advantage is the employee is promoted or well acquainted with the organizational culture. So they get motivated and it is cheaper also. And also reduces the recruitment of job training. Former employees. Retired employees may be interested to come back to the company to work a part-time basis. Some former employees who left the organization for any reason may again be interested to come back to work. And employee referrals. The existing employees refer their family members, friends, and relatives to the company as potential candidate. So this shows service as one of the most effective methods of recruiting people in the organization. The referred individuals are expected to be similar in type in terms of race and sex, for example, to those who are already working in the organization. Our next external sources. External sources include employment exchanges, advertisement, employment agencies, professional association, campus recruitment, deputation, word of mouth. The Employment Exchange, the National Commission in Labour in the year 1969 observed in its report that in the pre-independence era, the main source of labour was rural areas surrounding the industries. So immediately after independence, National Employment Service was established to bring the employers and job seekers together. In response to it, a Compulsory Notification of Vacancies Act of 1959, that is commonly called Employment Exchange Act, was instituted, which became operative in the year 1960. The main functions of employment exchange are registration of job seekers and their placement. It is very much prepared for the appointment of clerical personnel. Today, there are more number of private employment agencies started who register candidate for employment and furnish a list of suitable candidates from their data bank. Advertisement. This is the most widely used method for generating many applications because this advertisement's reach is very high. This can be used for jobs like clerical, technical, and managerial. For top executive appointment for this basis. Professional association are very often recruitment for certain professional and a technical position is made through the professional association, also called headhunters. The Institute of Engineers, Indian Medical Association, All India Management Association, etc. provide placement services for their members. These associations are useful for attracting highly skilled and professional personnel. Campus recruitment. This is made its mark only recently in India. Some organizations such as HCL, TCS, private banks, etc. in India have started visiting educational and training institutes for recruitment purpose. For example, IIM, IIT and university department. The main purpose of this visiting, some institutions have regular placement cells or offices. Next, external sources, deputation. Deputation is sending an employee to another organization for a short duration of 2 or 3 years is called deputation. It is practiced in the government department and public sector organization. It is useful because it provides ready expertise and the organization need not have to incur the expenses of induction and training. Word of mouth. This method, the word is passed around the possible vacancies or opening in the organization. Another form of this method is employee pinching. That is, the employee working in another organization is offered an attractive offer by the rival organization. And last one, reading. This method, the rival firm, by offering better terms and conditions, try to attract qualified employees to join them. Next, we are going to methods of recruitment. Recruitment method referred to the means by which an organization reaches to the potential job seekers. In other words, these are ways of establishing contact with the potential candidates. It is important to mention that the recruitment methods are different from the sources of recruitment. The methods of recruitment classified into 3 categories: direct method, indirect method, and third party method. Direct methods. This method, representative of the organization are sent to the potential candidate in the educational and training institute. They establish contact with the candidate seeking jobs. This representative work in cooperation with the placement cells in this institution. Persons pursuing management, engineering, medical, etc. are mostly picked up in this manner. Sometimes the firm establish direct contact with the professor and solicit information about students with excellent academic records. Indirect method. This method includes advertisement in newspaper, TV and media, in professional journals, technical magazine, etc. This method is useful. The organization does not find a suitable candidate to be promoted to fill up the higher post. When the organization wants to reach out to a vast territory. When organization wants to fill up scientific, professional and technical post. Finally, third party method. This includes the use of private employment agencies, management consultant, professional bodies, association, employee referrals and recommendation, voluntary organization, trade union, data banks, and labor contractor, etc. to establish contact with the job seekers. Thank you.